What's up? You checking out the frequent flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the blue alien on deck. And so this is the Falcon quadcopter Y4. Slide it out. The company is Nihui, pretty well-known company if you've been flying the toy grades. Out the transmitter looks kind of weird. It has a hole in the middle. So this is a 3.7 volt battery, 800 milliamp hours with a JST connection on it. And so we got some extra props in here. Looks like they give us a full set of spare props. We have a USB charging cable in there. And we also have this screwdriver. So let's look at this thing. Wow, very unique design here. It is a Y4 configuration. So it is a quadcopter. We have two props up front here. And then we have two in the back. We have one pushing and one pulling. Wow, and it looks like this prop guard is getting in the way. I'm going to take these prop guards off anyway. It does look kind of cool with the prop guards on it though. And let's see what else about this thing we can check out. There is an on and off switch. Having an on and off switch is always a plus. So it looks like you slide this forward in order to open it. A little tricky to open this thing. Yes, you slide it forward. And there's the battery bay there. I'm looking to see if I see any lights. I don't see any lights, but there should be lights on it. Let's check it out. So there are lights on it. Green up front, red in the rear. That's pretty awesome. These things, these little landing feet here are translucent. These little landing feet here, a little transparent. And so the light does come through. And this transmitter, this transmitter is indicating that we have altitude hold. And there must be batteries in here already or something. I don't know. This thing tried to take off on me. Did you guys hear that? So unplug that thing in case it does something weird. So we have an R1, R2, L1, L2 button. So 4 buttons in the rear. And these look to be trim buttons. Pretty nice feeling sticks. I'm wondering what the hole is for there in the middle. Looks like we're going to have to use that screwdriver to get into the battery bay. So let's get in there real quick just so I can see what size battery we need for this. So we need 4 AAA batteries. Hold on a second. Let's get the light on. Okay, so I got the light on now. We should be able to see a little better. Get a better look at this thing. Pretty awesome looking. I like the way it looks. This is the Nihui Falcon from Hobby and RC. You guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon. And ultimately a quick review or a full review. Thanks for watching.